to be hammered to the boundary, but all Hafiz has done has hit it straight to point. He played that well.
Well, it's good cricket. It's good from Waltz at decent pace, but it's a lovely shot from Sammy as he punches down straight, full face of the bat, gets 4. Flashing blade. Looked good. Even Hazard then just looked like you want to go after him straight away. There's a short one and being punished as well. That'll be 4, I think. I don't think Broad will get that. Oh, it's... No, he's missed it. Good effort. Edge and dropped. Now an opportunity created and grasped by the slip cordon. There he was just reacting a wee bit late. It's on the move. Dropped it. Should have been taken. It wasn't such a difficult one in the end.
Nicely driven. There was a bit of a bluff in there. Broad threw it up fuller, and the hands of Azhar Ali were impeccable. Oh, going down. Just going down. Big in-swinger. That's been his problem. Jimmy Anderson snatched his cap away and walked off in disdain because umpire Oxenford again mentioned about him running on the pitch. Punched off the back foot, and that's a nice way to go to 50. Won't go for 4, but he was in complete control of that shot, and he'll scroll back for 3.
Very good innings.
Clip leg side, fine leg will cut that off. Oh no, we're going to have some serious buzzers here. Could be 5. Flick the stumps and it is 5. Serious buzzers.
Oh! Held fine. Assuming there was bat on it. There is. The 4 is signalled. And that is a first 50 in Test cricket for Sami Aslam. It's a very, very good effort. Good shot. Good strong shot. Dropped. Hit hard back at Moeen Ali by Azhar Ali. Came down the pitch and he got a bit close to it because he was looking to go over the top.
Big shot, thought it was coming. Talking about charging, there's one. He goes over the top of Rooh. He's hit it nicely. All the way. Steaming into his pace. Oh, hello. He got on, that could be on. What have you done? Don't think there's any doubt here. James Vince.
Yeah, glove. Will it go through? It does go through. What a moment for Azhar Ali. You can see what it means to him. His 10th Test 100, his first outside Asia. A superb knock from Pakistan's number 3.
It's cut away. Way behind square. Stuart Broad is out there in the deep, but nowhere near close enough to it to cut it off.
That will go all the way.
God, excellent stroke that one from Azhar Ali. That'll be 4. Really has played well today. Excellent drive. He's made the bowlers bowl to him. Oh, Nick. Oh, God, last ball of the day. Can you believe it? What a shame for Azhar Ali. 139. Just the wide one. He hung the bat out, nicked it to Alistair Cook. He cannot believe it. The last ball of the day.